If you're looking to automatically fill in client details in proposals, this quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to streamline your process and save time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically input client info into your proposals, making the whole process faster and more efficient. Here's the trick. Instead of manually entering client information every time, you can set up your software to automatically fill in details like names, addresses, and emails based on preset fields. This not only saves you time, but also eliminates the risk of errors from manual entry. First, let's look at how to set up this automation. The software we'll be using today allows you to create templates where you can set placeholders for specific client information. These placeholders automatically pull data from your contact list or CRM. If your software is connected to your CRM, the client's name, address, and other details will be instantly inserted into your proposal every time you create a new one. Next, you'll want to customize the fields in your template. Look for options where you can choose the exact details you want to autofill. This can include things like client names, business details, and specific project info. The key here is mapping out those fields correctly so the software can pull the right information every time. Once your template is set up, all you need to do is select the client from your CRM or contact list when creating a proposal. The software will automatically populate the proposal with the client's details. It's that simple. No more copying and pasting, no more typing out information for each client. It all happens instantly. And here's a big bonus. Most of these tools offer a way to quickly update or edit the details for multiple proposals at once. If you need to tweak something like a date or client contact, you can do that across several documents at once without having to touch each proposal individually. Now, for those of you who want to follow along and take advantage of this automation, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. You'll find the link in the description below. This is only available to my viewers, so make sure you don't miss out. Key takeaway: setting up automated client details in proposals will save you a lot of time and reduce errors. By creating templates and linking them to your CRM, you can autofill client info in seconds. And don't forget, if you want to follow along and set this up for yourself, check out the exclusive free trial of the software in the description. To recap, start by setting up your template with placeholders for client info, map out the fields you want to autofill, and let the software do the work for you. With just a few clicks, your proposals are ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description and start automating your proposals today.